Hey everyone, today we're unboxing the brand new Google Pixel 9 Pro. This is Google's latest flagship phone, packed with AI features and a sleek new design. Let's see what's inside the box and check out what makes it special. First, let's take a look at the box. Inside, we have the Pixel 9 Pro itself, USB-C to USB-C charging cable, quick start guide, and SIM tool. No charging brick, as usual with Google. Very minimalist packaging, clean and eco-friendly. The design looks and feels premium. The new black finish is really eye-catching. It's slightly thinner than the 8 Pro, and the curved edges feel great in the hand. Let's talk about some of the key specs. 6.7 OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. Tensor G4 chip, even more AI features. Upgraded triple camera system, improved battery and faster charging. Also, Google is pushing AI hard this year, from call screening to on-device editing tools like Magic Editor and Summarize. So far, the Pixel 9 Pro looks and feels like a solid upgrade. I'm really excited to test the camera and see how the AI tools work in real life. Subscribe if you want to see camera tests, comparisons with other phones, and long-term reviews. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.